Okay, so it's been a while since my last video, but here I am. Got a new gasket on there. I want to do process of elimination, so I thought I would do gasket first, and then if the thing continued to leak, then obviously it would have been the pan. This has been sitting for about 12 hours, has not leaked a drop, and I suppose it's time to put the shift bracket back on and start putting all of this together, do a segment swap, and turn the key. Okay, so at this point, I'm sitting in the car and I got to get a baseline tune from the car. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this icon right here, and it's going to read the vehicle. So I've got to select read here, and this is going to take 2 or 3 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the film and catch back up to you on the other side. So while this finishes up, I need to make a notation of what my operating system is. That's the OS number. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down while it's still up on the screen. And what I have to do is I have to find a tune that matches the same OS as the one that I have. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to name this tune. And I want to name it something that I will definitely remember in the future. And I'm going to go ahead and name it 2002 Tahoe BB. And the reason why I use BB is because this is not a bone stock tune. I did have a company do a mail order tune for me several years ago. And this tune, which is kind of my baseline tune, already includes all of the stuff that they did for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and call this one 2002 Tahoe, and I'm going to rename it as is, no changes. There I will, and now I will have a baseline tune as my car exists today. So then what I've got to do is I've got to go to HPTuners, and I want to log in, and I'm going to go to my little section here by clicking on me. And then what I want to do is I want to go to the tune repository. So now my goal in the tune repository is to select a vehicle close in year as to my vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and select 2002. Now I have a Tahoe, but I'm going to select a Silverado. And I'm going to select engine size of a 6.0 because I know that the 6.0s had 4 L80s in them. And then of course I'm going to want an automatic transmission. So when I run the search, I get a bunch of options, and what I'm looking for is a bone stock 6.0 with a 4L80, so basically a bone stock 4L80. Some people are nice enough to list the OS right here so that I can see that it's not a match and I move on. Not everybody does that though, so it's a little bit of hit or miss. Now this one looks like a good possibility for me, so I'm going to go ahead and download this tune by clicking on this little blue thing right there. And now it's downloaded. You can see it down in the lower left-hand corner of my screen. And I'm going to get a couple of samples. And this one looks like a good possibility, so I'm going to download this one as well. Now I've got 2 to choose from. So here they are in my downloads file. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select them individually, open it up, and I'm going to go to Edit, Calibration Details, and check out the OS number. And this one ends in 2156, so it's not a match for me. I can't use this one. The OS has to be a match. So I'm going to go back into my Downloads folder after I close this file, and I'm going to check the other one and see what it is. And when I open it up, I can tell you already, this one's not a match. So I had a hard time finding a match for my specific vehicle. So what I did was I went to the HPTuners forum and I typed in the OS that I have, and I was able to find a few threads. And I found one that looked like a good candidate, so I downloaded it. And first thing I'm going to do is, now that I've got a candidate, I want to open my baseline file. So there it is right there, the as is. And the next thing I want to do is I want to do a compare, open compare file. I'm going to go to Downloads, and I'm going to choose the one that I thought was a good candidate, which is this one right here. And I'm going to open them up. So now it says my baseline versus the potential new one. And there's a bunch of stuff that you can do here. Like if I click on these little icons right here, the blue one is basically my information for my baseline. The red one is the information for the donor, potential donor, and then the third icon there shows the differences. So I'm going to go straight to trans, and I'm going to click on it. I'm looking at my info here. Obviously, it's a 4L60E, and I'm going to look at the donor, and the donor comes up as a 4L80E, which is great. So I think that this is a good candidate to go ahead and use. And now I'm going to do a segment swap. So I went to compare segment swap, and I'm going to grab the transmission, and I'm going to grab the transmission diagnostic and select those boxes. And then I'm going to hit import selected segments, and boom, it's done. It's done. It's as simple as that. Now there's one more step. I've got to close out of this box, and I've got to save this file. This is now my BB file, but it's not as is, no changes. It's my BB file with the 4L80 segment swap. So I'm going to name it accordingly. So 2002 Tahoe BB with the 4L80 segment swap. So now what I want to do is I want to go to trans, and I'm going to go to general, and boom, it's a 4L80 now. So I know that the segment swap worked. So now it's time for me to jump back in the car, and I'm going to flash this back to the car's computer. So I'll have my BB tune with the 4L80 segment swap, and hopefully the swap was a good one, and everything will work okay. Well, all right, I've done the segment swap, and everything else is done, with the exception of turning the key, and I'm a nervous wreck. It's like 3 months all boils down to this. So let's see how it goes. Alright, I let it run for about 15 minutes. Everything seems to be fine. And now I'm going to try to put it in gear. Here goes nothing. Alright, so there's your drive, and I'm going to let off the brake. Show the view. Here comes the brake. It'll spin. Alright, now let's see if it shifts. Alright. That's enough. All right, so here I am the next day. I took 2 test drives yesterday. One extremely gentle, and the next one a little less gentle, but still very, very gentle. Not the way I normally drive the truck. And it ran great. Probably put about 10 miles on it yesterday, and it has sat overnight, and there are no leaks, so I'm excited about that. It shifted well. I'm probably going to baby it for a few more days until I get used to it, but all in all, it's running. And although this took forever to do, I'm glad I did it, and I'm looking forward to putting a turbo in this thing at some point. But I have a lot to learn. I'm going to make an effort to learn a lot more about HPTuners, and if I fail at that, I actually know a couple guys in the area that are exceptional tuners that I can tap into for help. All right, so I'm officially bringing this video series to a close. Appreciate you watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, because I've got ideas for dozens and dozens and dozens of more videos.